Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video we are going to be doing technical analysis in gold. I'll be doing the analysis in different time frame and will be sharing you the support and resistance levels for each time frames. Please use these levels as a reference for entry and exit on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. As explained earlier also, the current price action is narrowing down on the lower side or on the upper side. On both the sides, the price action is narrowing down and we can see a consolidation happening here and the market is moving on a sideways. Soon we can expect a breakout from this symmetric triangle pattern. And when we notice the current price action from this support line, it has gone on a bullish side and took resistance on this resistance level between 1834 and 1828. Then retracement happened and tested this support level of 1783 and again the price action went on the bullish side, but you can notice that it has taken resistance at the same level where it took resistance on the previous time. And current price action is actually consolidating or it is in a retracement. I am expecting it to retrace at least to the level of 1783 for now. Since it is making a M pattern or a double top pattern, it has to break this neck level to actually continue further on the bearish side. Currently this neck level will be acting as a very strong support for the current price action. So when we look at the price action from the daily time frame, it is on a consolidation or a range bound market for now, and it is in the process of completing its double top pattern. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. We have the upper side resistance line from the symmetric triangle and we have the lower side support line from the symmetric triangle, and I have also marked the channel pattern which shows that the current price action is in a very nice bullish trend. So even though the price action has broken this support level several times, but you can notice that all the time it has retraced and gone on a bullish side. When we notice the current price action closely, from here it started its bullish trend and took resistance on this resistance level of 1828 and retraced and tested this bottommost support level which is around 1812 and retraced back and again retested on this resistance level, and presently it is on a retracement. So it has to break this support level which is around 1812 to actually go on a bearish side trend, but we already get the confirmation that current price action is trying to form a double top pattern in 4 hours time frame also. So if it manages to break this support level, we can expect the market to retrace to the 100% level where it started its bullish trend, which is going to be around 1792. So wait for it to break this support level of 1812 to get a confirmation on the bearish trend reversal. Currently the market is in a sideways or consolidating within this resistance and support level of 1828 and 1812. And now the price action has taken support on this dynamic support line of the channel pattern and it is on a retracement, but we already know that this level is going to be acting as a resistance level. So I am expecting it to go up, then a trend reversal to happen. But as long as this level is holding, we cannot expect the trend reversal on the bearish side. Since this level is acting as a very strong resistance area, we cannot expect a bullish trend also. So it will be a consolidation, but if the consolidation continues, it will be a sideways market, and if the sideways market continues, we can expect a bullish trend reversal because it will be moving out from this symmetric triangle and a breakout from this symmetric triangle on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the range is marked here in orange color are the resistance and support levels in 4 hours time frame, and this area between 1834 and 1828 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance level. If the current price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect the bullish trend to start. Currently the market is in a sideways. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. So here in hourly time frame I have drawn the trend line. It has properly respected this trend line and gave a breakout at this level and retest and tested this support level of 1812 and bounced back. So when it bounced back, it took resistance at this trend line and took a bearish trend reversal and took support on this dynamic support line of the channel pattern. Currently it is in a bullish trend or a retracement. We can expect it to go up, retrace, go up and retrace and give a breakout on the bearish side, because already this area is acting as a very strong resistance area. So when we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, it is in a sideways market or trading within this support and resistance levels. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. So here you can notice that the price action was on a very nice downtrend and the price action took support on this trend line and it is in a bounce back or a retracement. But overall when we look at the price action, it is trading within this support and resistance level from the higher time frames. It has to break on the bullish side or on the bearish side to go on a directional trade. Now it is in a range bound market. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame, and currently the price action has taken support on this dynamic support line from the channel pattern and it is on a bounce back or retracement. I am expecting the current price action to take resistance on this trend line and then retrace on the bearish side, because overall the current price action is in a downtrend. If the price action breaks this resistance level, then you can go on a bullish side trade, and the next target on the bullish side is going to be 1823, and if it bridges this level also, next target is going to be 1825. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. So I am in 5 minutes time frame now. Here I have drawn the trend line. You can notice that at this point has given a breakout from this trend line and also taken support on this trend line, and it is in a bullish trend. If the bullish trend continues, we can expect the next level of resistance to be at around 1825 and a bounce back or to breach this resistance level and continue on a bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame, and when we draw a trend line and check the current price action trend, you can notice that it has clearly given a bullish trend reversal. So whenever the price retests on this level, you can go on a bullish side. If it bridges, you can go on a bearish side trade. Wait for a candlesticks like this, green color candlesticks like this, to get a confirmation on the bullish trend reversal. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, show your support by pressing that like button and share this video with your friends.